Do you see this?
If your goals are cooked with microwave effort, don't be surprised when they taste like whatever just blew up in the break room microwave. Here's your fix, the Power 3 Reset. 3 nose-only breaths. A 3-minute walk. And 3 micro goals. That's it. No phone, no doom scroll, just you actually resetting your brain. Nose breathing pumps nitric oxide through your body. Sounds sciencey, feels amazing. Focus, flow, and actual results. Try it tomorrow. Call it your pre-scroll ritual. You deserve better than microwave motivation.